Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney, and today I just want to speak to you guys in regards to website optimizing. Okay, so a lot of people, they don't really do SEO back in the 2016's day because nobody will actually go and handle all this SEO stuff. A lot of people just want to have a website and just put it out. But however, now the competition in the digital world, in the website world, is so competitive. A lot of people start putting in keywords SEO. So how do we know that whether this page actually has a keyword SEO? Okay, you gotta be asking that question, right? So let me just type in something on the Google itself to find out. Alright, so let me just press on W and then you will see there's a Wix Google search. Okay, maybe let me just type in Wix. Yeah, Wix site here. We got this. Just click on it. And then yeah, they actually come out with this. So Wix site is actually one of the keywords that is used to actually find Wix. Right? So let me just share with you guys this tool also. This tool is actually called Keyword Finder, where we can actually find a few things like our website. Like for example, now we actually have this website keyword, and then we can actually see the trend, the search volume in the last 12 months. So what are the trends? How many search are there in the 12 months in the average monthly search? So we can see 652,000 searches in the past 1 year, up to date. And then we can see how much they are paying, the average cost per click. And then we can see how much pay per click do they get, how much click do they get in 1 day. And then at the same time, is this the keyword difficulty, whether there is any difficulty and stuff like that. They will just tell you like, oh, don't do it, the keyword is difficult. And then you can click on other things like website builder. It will be hard, but however you still can do it. It's just 51 out of 100 in the risk indicator itself. So you can see how much they are paying, $24.10. I really have no idea who is going to pay that. So now we have this keyword, right? Let us just pump it in. So we can see, type in website, and we can see that Wix is the only one that have advertisement. So we can see that Wix is actually paying $2.46 for every click that they are doing now, and 652,000 of them are actually finding Wix itself. So pretty much we can find out all this information on the internet itself. Not just that, we can also come and use this tool called SimilarWeb, where we are able to actually find out the overview of the whole web itself. What is it doing? What is it happening? How many traffic are coming in? Can you see the total visits? We can see how much people are coming in. 45 million people are coming into their website every month. Wow. We can also see how much time they actually spend. Usually people come in here, they spend maybe around the average time of 9 minutes and 24 seconds. Each time they come in here, they visit 9 pages. And then the bounce rate is actually towards like people coming in here for 7 seconds and they leave. However, Wix is actually having a very low percentage of bounce rate, which is very good. It's a healthy page going out there. We can also see the traffic coming in from different countries, like UK have 30%, UK has this amount of traffic, that and that. And then after that, when you go down, we can actually see how these people are coming in. Direct meaning they type in like www.wix.com, www.wix.com, www.yourwebsite.com, and they come into your website. Or they actually have referrals. Referrals are actually towards like people that are, you see all these people, they are coming in. So we can actually see how many people are coming in through referrals. Okay, we can see that 10.track-ins, maybe it's some website that is telling people that, hey, you can go to Wix to do a website builder and all these things. And then at the same time, you can also see that what are the few destinations that are coming in? Who are they coming in from? Where are they coming in from? Social media? Are they coming in from PayPal? Are they coming in from Google accounts and all these things? Alright. Next, we can also see how many people are searching for you. Searching meaning organic search are like Wix, Wix login, Wix.com. All these are keywords. Wix logo maker, Wix site. All these are actually the organic keywords that's free out there, which means it's the SEO keywords that they are using to find your company. Then we can also see on the other side, there is this 23.3% paid. This is actually paid keywords. Paid keywords meaning the advertisement things that they are using. Yep. So here we can actually see Wix, Wix logo maker, Wix.com, Wix logo. All these things are actually paid keywords that they are paying per month to actually get in all the traffics. And these are the top 5 keywords that are coming in from all the traffics. We also have social. So what is social? Social meaning all the social media accounts that are bringing people in. Like here we can actually see YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, web app, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and all these other social media traffic. So display advertising is towards display ads, Google display ads, like YouTube, Canva, word clouds, and all this. We can see everything right now using these tools. So when you're actually having a website of yourself and you know that your website isn't converting well, you can actually utilize similar web to actually go and remodel, recreate, and come up with more positive things in your website. So people are able to find you using the keywords. Or you're going to use social media as a platform to get in all your different things. You're able to do that as well. So I've come to the end of the video. I hope that you can actually use keyword finder, similar web to actually do SEO optimizing on your website. If you have a website, do it. If you do not have, you can actually choose between making a builder yourself, or you actually go and pay other people to do it for you. At the same time, SEO is also part of the plan. You can actually just pay them the money and they will actually help you do all the optimizing and stuff. So hey, hi guys, my name is Private Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.